Welcome to Citi Taste of Tennis live cooking demo. I'm your host, Julielinh Mouret, and I'm going to show you how to make my most popular dish on my YouTube channel. It's my mom's Vietnamese flank steak skewers. It's my #1 go-to dish when I'm trying to impress anybody or please my husband. And if you're a wife, you know what I'm talking about. And for those that are vegetarian vegan, stay tuned. I'm going to do a rice bowl with this amazing new super grain. It's called riceberry. If you haven't heard of it, it's delicious. It's loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. So we're gonna do a rice bowl with that a little bit later, and I'm gonna send you a 20% off discount code. So we'll need a flank steak. We're gonna cut off all the fat. So 45-degree angle. We're looking at thin, almost shaved pieces. I want ribbons. You want ribbons. And they'll be wide pieces, and I'll explain why you need them wide later.
What was your favorite Citi Taste of Tennis moment? You were there from the beginning.
It's definitely 2009. It was my first one from the US Open. And my Taste of Tennis lanyard. And a picture with Fernando Gonzalez, one of my favorite players. So now it's time to make the marinade. You're gonna need soy sauce. My favorite soy sauce is Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. We're gonna put about 1/4 of a cup in. You're gonna do about a tablespoon of sugar, and we're gonna do a tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm going to quickly whisk that. Comes this sesame oil. You wanna create like a salad dressing type texture. And we're doing about 1/4 cup of this too. Scallions. Now I'm gonna use about 3, sometimes I use 4. We're going to finely cut. All right, so once you do this, let's get back to here, the marinade. So I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like a salad dressing texture, or consistency, I should say. And then we're gonna throw my green scallions in there, and then we're gonna whisk that, and then dump that. We are going to skewer this one, and then I already have most of the skewers. Fresh cracked black pepper in there. All right, you want to thread it on the skewer in a tight S form thread, and just weave it. And then you're gonna stack it. You wanna do as many, or create as many S's as possible with this beautiful ribbon. Boom. And it's time to grill. I normally cook these on medium to high heat, and I leave the top open because I don't want to create an oven effect. I just want these to like get really seared. Yes, look at that. I'm gonna do it 4 times. We're gonna try to get each side. So I like to grill on high heat or medium high heat, depending on what type of grill you have, because what I'm looking for is that caramelized seared edge. All right, let's see if it's time to flip. I have to thank Danny. Thank you so much, Danny, because Danny was the one that recommended me to do this. Most of the time, Taste of Tennis is all about the chefs and the tennis players, and it's an amazing event that they throw at several big tournaments. And Danny went to Penny or Judy and said, hey, look, we should have Julielinh on here. Am I a tennis player? No. Am I a chef? No. I was a player agent, and I'm a home cook. So thank you so much for believing in me and wanting to feature my favorite recipe and my most popular recipe. So thank you, Danny. That is the perfect one.
Dripping with juice.
Okay, so there's, hold on. Oh, that is hot. This is the newest super grain to the block. So look at this beautiful rice. I cooked it in a Tiger rice cooker. Let's do some tomatoes first. So we're gonna do some tomatoes here. We're gonna do some cucumber. All right, so now we've got some cucumber on there. We're gonna do some matchstick carrots. The sad part is I couldn't do it, I tried. Okay, last we're gonna do an avocado. Okay, so that's my avocado. So I'm gonna put this over here. Soybean or fried shallots. My favorite are fried shallots, so I'm gonna put this. Now, so you know, riceberry is incredibly fragrant, and it has a slight hint of sweetness. And there you have it, my vegan vegetarian dish and my carnivore dish, which is my Vietnamese flank steak skewers. Thank you so very much for tuning in, for supporting me. If you want to see more of my videos, you can go to my YouTube channel, Julielinh Mouret. Thank you so much, Citi Taste of Tennis. I can't tell you how much this is an honor to be featured on your channel and on your Instagram page. This has been fabulous. And a big thanks to John and his wife at Siam Lotus Foods for sending me this amazing care package of their product. They're amazing. Log on to their site directly and you can get 20% off with the code JLM20. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a blessed day.